Man, this hat is bent out of shape. G'day guys, welcome to Swagging with Ben. Today I am testing out that contraption over there. It's an inflatable boat and I've zip tied some kind of electric motor contraption to it. Let's test it out so I can maybe use it in some future camping videos. Now it's quite windy today, but that's actually why I'm out here. I want to test the boat in some pretty strong breeze. Turns out this is really difficult to record while you're trying to get in the boat. So I'm just about to push myself off from the edge here. I've kind of wired this up with this battery just sitting here in front of me. So we'll see how it goes once I push off the edge here and lower the motor into the water a little bit. Already got muddy feet in here. Okay, we're away from the edge. We are moving, which is kind of scary because I've got no oars. Oh no, we're kind of moving around now. I better turn this thing on, hold on. Okay, I've just put it in reverse. Seems like we're swinging around and moving. Yeah, cool. Hold on, I'm gonna lose my hat. Ugh. That might need some reinforcements, I'm not sure yet. Whoa. Okay. Oh, it's working. Oh, it's working very quickly. This is not ideal. How do I steer it? Oh man. I think this is worse than the last time I built one of these. Oh, it's working pretty well into the wind. Cool. Now all I need is a beer. I don't think I can reach the beers from here. I need to find a more comfortable seating position. Hold on. This is slightly more comfortable. I might put it under high power. Whoa. Okay. I think I need some more reinforcements on the motor. Oh, it's working really well there. Cool. This seems to sit a little bit low, like to the back there, but I mean, it's working well. Well, I've just parked at the shore here and noticed this says not rated for propulsion by motor, so fair enough. I'm just going to pull up here so I've got a spare hand for a second and without just drifting through the abyss, and crack a beer and put the drone up. Okay, the drone's up there. Managed to crack a beer. I'll take the boat out again for another little excursion in the water. Well guys, I think the test went pretty well. It's pretty windy, as you can hear on the microphone, I'm sure. But that was why I wanted to test the boat today, because if you test it in perfect conditions and then you go out and there's a bit of a breeze one day, you don't want any awkward surprises when you get blown away to Indonesia or somewhere weird. But yeah, it did about 5 k's an hour, 4 or 5 k's an hour. It didn't seem any slower going into the wind either, so that was unexpected, but again, that's why you perform a test, I suppose. But yeah, otherwise I think I might be able to take it camping. So if you want to see that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you got any ideas, let me know in the comments, because I'm always open to new ideas to do with crazy bits of throw together equipment that, you know, I just dreamed up and spent a couple of $100s on. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers.